The device that we will be looking at is the MAX2719, an 8x8 matrix display. When connected to the Raspberry Pi, this device is able to display different images using the LEDs on the board. The device has 5 pins, which is used to connect it to the Raspberry Pi. To get the device working, make sure your wiring is done correctly. Connect the VCC to the 5V pin. Connect the ground to the ground pin. Connect the chip select to the SPI chip select 0 pin. Then connect the clock to the SPI clock pin. And finally, connect the data in to the MOSI pin. Your setup should look something like this. Now, in order to get the device actually working, you're going to need to install a few libraries and packages. Once you're connected to the internet, read the instructions in the Read the Docs documentation to get step-by-step information on downloading the packages and downloading the GitHub library. To test if your device is working correctly, run the example file found in the library called Matrix Demo Python. The device is able to create numerous effects, including fast scrolling, slow scrolling, vertical scrolling, changing the brightness, and having alternative fonts. In order to help with printing images onto the display, we created a function that allows people to map their images to the matrix by inputting binary numbers. The function divides the grid into groups of 4 bits. Entering a value between 0 to 15 will turn on its corresponding LEDs. Implementing the program is easy. Save the code, which can be found in the documentation, into a file on your Raspberry Pi to run the program. Once you run the program, enter your inputs. In this video, we are simply entering the numbers from 1 to 15. We would also like to note that the device contains 2 headers, which allow for you to daisy chain multiple displays together to create a bigger image, leaving the different types of projects obtainable by the device endless.